Ever wondered why strong bones are essential for a healthy life? Well, let's delve into that. Our bones are the pillars of our bodies, providing structure and shape. They're like the framework of a house, except they're living, growing tissue. But bones are more than just the scaffolding that holds us upright. They are our body's Fort Knox, a secure vault where we store essential minerals like calcium. When our bodies need extra calcium, it's our bones that supply it. Bones also play the crucial role of safeguarding our vital organs. Think of them as a protective shield, guarding the heart, lungs, and brain from external harm. Lastly, our bones are anchor points for our muscles, enabling movement and physical activity. However, weak bones can lead to serious health issues like osteoporosis and fractures. Now that we understand the importance of strong bones, do you want to know how to naturally strengthen them? Discover 5 natural ways to boost your bone health. Just as the foundation of a building needs to be strong, so too do your bones. They serve as the framework for our bodies and help us move with ease. But how can we ensure they remain strong and healthy? First on our list is eating a balanced diet rich in calcium and vitamin D. Calcium is the building block of our bones, while vitamin D helps our bodies absorb this vital mineral. Think of it as the cement that holds the bricks of a wall together. Foods like dairy products, green leafy vegetables, fish, and fortified foods are great sources of these nutrients. Secondly, regular weight-bearing and muscle-strengthening exercises are crucial. Imagine your bones as muscles. The more you work them out, the stronger they get. Walking, dancing, jogging, and resistance training can all help you build stronger bones. Thirdly, maintaining a healthy body weight can contribute to bone health. Being underweight can lead to bone loss, while being overweight puts extra stress on your bones. Try to keep your body weight within a healthy range for your height and body type. Fourth on our list is avoiding harmful behaviors such as smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. These habits can lead to bone loss over time. Just as you wouldn't pour acid on a metal structure, you shouldn't expose your bones to these harmful activities. Finally, getting regular checkups to monitor bone density is essential. Like any other part of our bodies, our bones need regular checkups. This way, you can catch any potential issues early and take steps to improve your bone health. These 5 strategies can help you build stronger bones naturally. Remember, your bones are the scaffolding that holds your body together. Like a well-built structure, they need regular care and attention to stay strong and sturdy. So take care of your bones and they'll take care of you. The benefits of these 5 natural ways go beyond just strong bones. Let's delve deeper into how each method contributes to your overall health and well-being. Firstly, a balanced diet isn't merely a boon for your bones. It's the fuel that keeps your entire system running smoothly. Consuming a variety of nutrient-rich foods ensures you're not just feeding your body, but nourishing it. A balanced diet can boost your immunity, improve your skin, hair, and eyesight, and even enhance your mood and energy levels. Moving on to the second method, regular exercise isn't just about building muscle or burning calories. It's also about keeping your heart healthy and your mind happy. Exercise helps regulate blood pressure, reduces the risk of heart disease, and can even alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. It's not just a workout for your body, but therapy for your soul. Now, maintaining a healthy weight isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good from the inside out. Excess weight puts additional pressure on your bones and joints and increases your risk of many diseases, including diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. By maintaining a healthy weight, you're giving your body the best chance to function optimally. Fourthly, avoiding harmful behaviors like smoking or excessive alcohol consumption doesn't just increase your lifespan, it enhances your quality of life. These behaviors can lead to a myriad of health problems, from lung disease and heart disease to osteoporosis and even mental health issues. By choosing to live healthily, you're choosing a life of vitality and joy. Lastly, regular checkups are not just about catching potential issues early. They're about staying in tune with your body and being proactive about your health. Regular screenings and tests can lead to early detection and better outcomes for a range of health issues, from heart disease to cancer. So, these 5 natural ways not only strengthen your bones, but they also enhance your overall health. Start incorporating them into your lifestyle today for a healthier tomorrow.